Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And as you can probably see by this big ass box right here, it's Crate Club time. It's the October 2021 box. Let's check it out. So by now you guys have probably already heard of Crate Club. But if you don't know, it's a quarterly subscription box that ships modern tactical and survival gear straight to your door. And if you guys want to check this out for yourself, I'll have all the links below in my description box. But man, this box is just gigantic. So I'm gonna give you guys a nice look inside real quick before I put it off to the side. Just start randomly taking stuff out of this one's box. Let's see, that's awesome. All right, let's start taking some stuff out here. I'm just gonna grab this first item right here and put the rest off to the side here. And I'm also going to be taking advantage of the cheat sheet here. And I forgot to mention, yes, this is the Crate Club General box. So this is the Bushnell Electro Optics TRS 25 Red Dot. So it has a little sticker on it right here. So let me cut that open. Oop, wow, that was terrible. You guys didn't see that, did you? All right, so here it is. Right here out of the box, the Bushnell Electro Optics TRS 25 Red Dot right here. Let me take off the caps so you guys can take a look at this without those caps on. This is pretty awesome. Compact, sturdy, reliable M308 red dot sight with unlimited eye relief for handguns and shotguns. Waterproof construction, O-ring sealed optics, stay dry. Waterproof construction, shockproof construction, and nitrogen purged fog proofing. Has nitrogen inside of the scope, ensures interior optical surfaces won't fog due to humidity or rapid temperature change. So this is really, really cool. So what do you guys think of this first item here? The very first item being pulled out of this box. And this isn't the first red dot sight that I pulled out of a Crate Club box here, but I'm not going to spend too much time on these items just because there's a lot to get to in this box. I forgot to show you, I don't know, cleaning cloth here. But I'm going to put this off to the side and grab the next item. All right, so let's pull this bad boy out. It's a Ledlenser P6R Code QC flashlight. So what's up with this thing here? 270 lumens, 335 meters of throw. And it looks like it has 4 different colors here. So let's take this out of the box. All right, that just comes right out. So I don't know if there's a battery inside or not. Or if it does have the little plastic piece that always blocks it from activating. What the heck's going on here? So it looks like it takes an 18650 that's not in there. Hopefully it's in the box here. All right, yeah. Here's the 18650. Put that back on, see if this activates. All right, oh, check that out. So there's blue. It's a lighter color blue, real light. So how do I change these colors? Hold it down. Whoa, sorry about that. Oh, I see, you have to twist the head here to get to the different colors. So if I twist it over to green, well, there's white and red, green, blue. Oh, this is pretty cool. So let me go back to the white. Where is it? Right here. And then you use the tail switch here to, okay, it looks like it goes high, medium, low, and then off. Oh, actually, it's not even off. That's a real low moonlight. So let me do it again. High, medium, low, moonlight, off. But this high right here does not look like it goes 330. Oh, I see. It's a focusable head. Let me do high again. That does not look like it's going to go 335 meters just by eyeing it out here. Did I read that right? Let me look at the cheat sheet here. It says multicolor LED white, 270 lumens, 140 on the red, green is 220, and blue is 35 lumens. IP54. Yeah, but where does it say? And it says 335 meters right there. I don't know. I'd have to do a review on this just to test out and see if it really does have a 335 meter throw. But this is pretty cool. I do like this twist system, this twist function where you just twist it and it activates the different color beams there. That's pretty cool. Also in the box we have a, is that a micro? Yeah, it's a micro USB to type A and a lanyard. Wish it wasn't micro, but what are you gonna do about it? Let's put this off to the side. actually like this. And let's see what else we got here in the box. And, okay, this is partially open. It says Magpul. So what is this? Magpul Explorer eyewear, non-polarized, black frame, great lens, no mirror. Dude, these are some shades. I gotta check these out. Oh, this is kind of a cool case that it comes in. Plastic, but... Oh, here we go. A little pouch. Feels like it's nylon. And I'm excited. Let's see. All right, check these out. Pretty sweet. Man, I already got a mess here on this table. Let me push everything off to the side and let's read about these Magpul Explorer eyewear. It says lenses provide high velocity impact protection, UV resistant, outstanding impact resistance even at low temperatures, and relaxed wrap and flexibility at the temples for all day wear. I'm about to try these bad boys on. Excuse me for a second.
A few moments later.
All right, so let's try these bad boys on, and oh yeah, these things were made for my face. What do you guys think? Can I pull these off? All kidding aside, it's fairly dark in this room, so I can't really see how well I can see through these lenses, especially in the daylight. That's how I judge if I like eyeglasses or not. I don't really like sunglasses that have a real yellow tint when I'm looking through them. I usually wear Oakleys. I think they are perfect eyeglasses for me. But I'm definitely going to try these out tomorrow in the daylight. And it says MSRP 99 bucks. So I like these. Let's grab something else here. What is this? All right. Izula, ESEE. The Izula, or ESEE Izula. It's like a fixed blade. All right, so it looks like we have a card. Comes with a little sheath here. Check this bad boy out. It actually feels really nice. What is that coating on here? Let me look at the cheat sheet. So it says overall length 6.25 inches, blade length 2.875 inches, cutting edge 2.625 inches, blade thickness 0.16 inches. Blade material is 1095, drop point blade, and has a flat grind. We can see all that, but what is this coating on the outside? It doesn't really say in the cheat sheet, but if I get it real close, let me focus that. Looks like it has some kind of powder coating on the outside. I'm not really sure. Got Izula right there with a little ant, and then it says Rowan, ESEE knives, made in the USA. Skeletonized handle. This is pretty nice. We have some jimping here right on the spine of the blade. And it does come with a sheath here. It doesn't feel, I mean, it feels like plastic. I'm not sure. It feels and looks like plastic. And in this bag here, just a way to mount it. There's some screws. I'm not going to do all that, but this is pretty cool. Let me put this over to the side and let me see what else is in this box here. And I'm just pulling this out because it looks like it might go right along with this ESEE Izula knife here. It looks like a leather sheath. So let me see. Oh yeah, check that out. That's pretty nice. So just for the heck of it, I'm gonna see if it fits in there. I'm just guessing because it came with this knife. Oh man, check that out. It's a perfect fit. Snaps right up. Yes. This is pretty sweet. I like this a lot better than this sheath right here that came in the package. So where is it? Yeah, because look, it just looks like a custom sheath on the same page right here. Custom leather scout carry sheath. The sheath is for horizontal scout carry on the belt and can be switched to accommodate for left and right-handed carry. Fits belts approximately 1.75 best possible 2 inches, but it fits tight. The length is 4.5 inches, width 2 inches, and has a height of 1.25 inches, weighs about 1.8 ounces. So I don't know what kind of leather this is made of, but it looks pretty quality. And check this out. While I was looking at the cheat sheet right here, it says ESEE Izula Micarta scales, and those are in the box too. This is awesome. So you can put Micarta scales on this little fixed blade, skeletonized handles, and oh, wow. So check that out. So I will definitely be adding these Micarta scales to this ESEE Izula fixed blade here. Let me put them both on so you can see what that would look like. I love this. Looks like we have all the hardware in this bag here along with this sheath. Very nice, guys. All right, so next in the box, and I already know what this is because I actually have some of this stuff already. It's KPL knife oil. So whenever I take apart a folder to clean it, I always make sure I hit it with some KPL oil in the pivot just to make sure I get that nice action every single time. So I already know about this stuff. This stuff works great, but there is some stuff in here that I don't have. It looks like it's a whole kit. It's like, what are those little Q-tip, little applicators right there? That is great. And, oh, wow. Let me open this up. So what is this? Some Vibratite thread locker. Looks like it's the blue kind. So, yeah. You put this on some screws, and it basically locks those screws or bolts into place. And it's like a cleaning cloth right here with a pretty cool KPL sticker. But this will definitely get some use because my other bottle is about halfway gone. So I was about to pick some of this stuff anyway. So that is awesome. Next, right here, Get a Grip cat tongue grips. Non-slip grip strips. So I think this is pretty self-explanatory. Looks like they are stickers that you just, oh yeah, you can stick on anything, and there's a grippy side, and then you just peel this apart. It'll stick to anything. You can wrap it on some handles. Wow, they're even using it for applications like just putting your phone down on a table. But yeah, these are endlessly useful. You can use these in multiple different ways. So these are very, very cool. And next out of the box, an 8x6 Grayman Tactical Rigid Molle System. Now I love these. A few boxes ago, there was another Grayman rigid molle system, and it was much, much bigger than this. I actually have it hanging on the back of my headrest in my car. This just looks like a mini version. Yeah, this is really small. Like I said, 8x6, comes with a couple Velcro straps right here, and it looks like it just goes right on the back of your headrest. The larger version that I pulled out of the Crate Club doesn't go right on the back of the headrest. It just wraps around the bottom of the headrest and goes on the back of the seat. And that thing has been invaluable to me just by creating more space in my car, more organized, because otherwise it'd just be on the floor or in the footwells. I like this too. This will definitely find a new home on the back of my headrest in my car. Very cool. And last but not least in the box, it's like a med kit. Very nice package here. Very nice case it comes in. We have some mounting straps right here with some snaps. A little handle on top. There's a bunch of Velcro right here. What does it say? MyMedic, MyFak First Aid Kit. Made from high quality nylon Cordura for utmost durability and functionality. Multi-use pack, over 100 quality first aid and trauma supplies. Tearaway pouch inside can be used as an additional mini first aid kit. Yeah, let's open this thing up. Unzip this open. Okay, it just lays flat. That's very cool. Oh my God. Let me get the knife out of the way. So there is a ton of stuff in here. A whistle. So guys, obviously I'm not going to go over every single thing in here, but there is, I don't even know where to start. So burn shield, burn care, there's a little spare blanket. There's a splint, an emergency splint inside of here. What's even in here? Some gauze pads. Man, I don't know what that is. Something right there. There's a bunch of tape right here. What is this? Looks like I'll check that out, a digital thermometer and a pupil gauge. So most likely just a little light to check somebody's pupils. My goodness. I have a couple med kits, but I don't have anything like that in there. So that's really, really cool. It's in this little mesh section. It's like some gloves, some ibuprofen, antiseptic towels. I mean, you guys get the idea. This is really, really cool. And in the cheat sheet here on the very bottom, it gives you at least a picture illustration of everything that's inside of this kit. Man, I don't even know. I mean, I can do a whole video just on this kit alone, but I always say you can never have enough emergency med kits, especially in your car. I already have 2 of them in my car, just different items for different purposes, and this will make its way into my car eventually if I can talk today. So this is an awesome find in this box. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the October 2021 Crate Club General Box? My desk is an absolute mess right now. I think my favorite thing out of this box was either this med kit or this really cool Izula ESEE Izula knife with all the accessories that came with it. I think that's awesome. But if you guys want to check out Crate Club for yourself, we'll have links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!